Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. I'm out here at the getaway where I just installed this shower using a bunch of prefabricated components including the niches, the shower surround, and the shower pan. Let me give you a rundown of how I did it and some tips along the way. Our shower pan is set on a flat and level subfloor, only required adhesive underneath and screws through the flange. Some pans are going to require mortar to set and level them. I installed two niches, one high and one low. First, notch the studs to accommodate the prefab niches and add nailers and blocking where necessary. Attach the niches using backerboard screws. Apply the rest of the backerboard and then caulk the seams and cover the screw heads. Allow the caulking to dry according to the instructions before installing any tile. Mix a batch of mortar and apply tile to the backs of the niches. If I were using a fussier tile for this project, I'd consider applying a solid surface material to the back. These niches are large though, and the tile is easy to work with. So I tiled that surface because tile is less expensive than solid surface material. Using a level, mark a plumb line for the jamb and attach it with screws. To drill through tile, you'll need a special drill bit made for glass and tile. And be sure you're hitting a stud. Slip the glass wall panel into the gasket in the wall jamb. Fasten the door guide and lower base mount hardware to the bottoms of the panels. Fasten the track and spacers to the glass wall panels, then attach the rollers to the door. Don't fully tighten the screws yet though, you might need to make some adjustments. So that's how it all came together. Now when you add the tile into this, yeah, it's a little bit more of an advanced project, but hopefully the tips that I've shared with you will help you be able to tackle something like this on your own. For more cool projects like this one, visit us at familyhandyman.com.